Well, we're back going again. Might be slippery. Little bit slippery. Don't drop it. Good angles. Nice. Yeah, I think I see Sanderson up here in the distance.
Yeah, the first and second shift isn't going so great.
Oh, so it's typical DR.
It's like I'm on the Versus again.
What do you think?
I don't know. What do you think?
Man, I don't know how your injury is. Whoa. Oh, it's not just my bars. My wheel's crooked.
What?
My wheel's crooked.
Oh, you probably shouldn't do that.
That is weird.
But how's that?
Not bad. There's dirt bike trails up here, dirt bike path up here, and another Jeep road.
So come on up.
Yeah. Try to kick my tire back into place. Oh my gosh, thing's annoying, man. Oh no, dude.
What's up?
My bike won't turn over now. I don't know what that was, dude. I was hitting the button and the neutral light was dimming like it was low battery. Oh my god, look at this.
Oh, that frog just jumped right in my path I was going to take.
Seems pretty dry over here. Yeah, it's probably definitely the path to where we're trying to go. Oh my gosh, man. Gotta love springtime. Looks like dirt bikes went through here today.
Sanderson, is this you?
looks like we're headed out to bear poop.
Yeah, it definitely looks like bear poop.
Bug just hit me in the eye. Ugh. There's one of the trails we can come down or up. I can't remember. I got hit in the eye.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Holy crap.
What'd you do?
Jeez.
What'd you do?
Nothing.
Ah, yeah, that hurt. What are you doing? Going through the mud?
Yeah, just trying to get out of the swamp, you know.
Just go around it.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do, and I made a little long turn there somewhere. I'm gonna skate right here. Yeah, okay, great. Good times.
Good times. I can only see out of my left eye. Good thing my right eye is my dominant eye. Yeah, this is like where we come on dirt bikes.
Yeah.
But you said you wanted challenges today, so.
I think that's exactly what I didn't say.
Looks pretty muddy up here, bro.